Crash Course on German Culture, a look at the traditions, customs, and values that define German society, including food, music, literature, and art. Certainly. German culture. Germany has a rich cultural heritage that has been influenced by its history, geography, and diverse population. From the music of Bach and Beethoven to the literature of Goethe and Kafka, German culture has had a profound impact on the world. In this crash course, we'll take a closer look at some of the key aspects of German culture. Food. German cuisine is known for its hearty, meat-heavy dishes, such as schnitzel, sausages, and sauerbraten. However, there are also plenty of vegetarian options, such as spätzle, a type of pasta, potato pancakes, and sauerkraut. German beer is also famous worldwide, with over 1,300 breweries producing a wide range of beers. Music. Germany has a rich musical heritage, with composers such as Johann Sebastian Bach, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart all hailing from the country. In addition to classical music, Germany is also known for its techno and electronic music scenes, as well as its rock and pop music. Literature. German literature has a long and storied history, with works ranging from the epic poetry of the Nibelungenlied to the modernist novels of Thomas Mann and Franz Kafka. Goethe's Faust is widely regarded as one of the greatest works of German literature. Art. Germany has a rich artistic tradition, with many famous painters, sculptors, and architects hailing from the country. Some of the most famous German artists include Albrecht Dürer, Caspar David Friedrich, and Gerhard Richter. Philosophy. Germany is home to some of the most famous philosophers in history, including Immanuel Kant, Friedrich Nietzsche, and Martin Heidegger. German philosophy has had a profound impact on Western thought, particularly in the areas of metaphysics, epistemology, and ethics. Fashion. Germany has a thriving fashion industry, with designers such as Jill Sander and Karl Lagerfeld making a name for themselves on the international stage. Berlin Fashion Week is one of the most important events in the fashion calendar. Sports. Germany is a sporting powerhouse, with football, soccer, being the most popular sport in the country. The German national team has won 4 World Cup titles, and many of the country's top football clubs, such as Bayern Munich and Borussia Dortmund, are known worldwide. Christmas traditions. Germany is famous for its Christmas markets, which sell everything from gingerbread cookies to handcrafted ornaments. The country is also home to many Christmas traditions, such as the Advent wreath and the Christmas pyramid. Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest is a world-famous event held annually in Munich, Germany. It is a celebration of beer, food, and German culture, and draws millions of visitors from around the world. Carnival. Carnival, also known as Fasching or Carnival, is a festival celebrated in many parts of Germany in the weeks leading up to Lent. It is known for its parades, costumes, and revelry. Education. Germany has a strong tradition of education, with some of the world's oldest and most prestigious universities, such as Heidelberg University and the University of Munich, located in the country. The German education system is known for its emphasis on academic excellence and vocational training. Technology. Germany is home to many high-tech companies, particularly in the fields of engineering, automotive manufacturing, and biotechnology. Companies such as Siemens, BMW, and Bosch are all headquartered in Germany. In summary, German culture is incredibly rich and diverse, with many unique traditions, customs, and values that have shaped German society over the centuries. Some of the key aspects of German culture include the importance of family and community, the love of music and the arts, and a deep respect for nature and the environment. Sure, here's a poem and a song about German culture. Poem. From the Black Forest to Berlin's streets. Germany's culture is diverse and unique. With a rich history and tradition so old, its impact on the world is still being told. Their love for art, music, and cuisine reflects a passion that's always been. From Bach to Beethoven and Mozart's fame, their legacy lives on and will remain. In the streets of Munich, the beer flows, as people celebrate life and its many woes, while Oktoberfest brings in the crowds, with sausages, pretzels, and beer to go around. From fairy tales to philosophy, Germany's culture is vast and full of beauty, with a language that's strong and powerful. Its influence on the world is indisputable. So let's raise a glass to German culture. Its impact on the world is a true wonder. From its art to its food and everything in between, Germany's culture is a sight to be seen. Song. Verse 1. From the forests of Bavaria to the streets of Berlin, German culture is a sight to be seen. With a rich history and tradition so bold, its impact on the world will never grow old. Chorus. So let's raise a glass to German culture. From its music to its art and everything in between, its love for life and its passion so pure, Germany's culture is a true wonder to be seen. Verse 2. The sound of Bach's organ to Beethoven's symphony. German music has touched the world with its beauty, while its cuisine, from sausages to pretzels and beer, will make your taste buds dance with cheer. Chorus. So let's raise a glass to German culture. From its literature to its food and everything in between, its love for life and its passion so pure, Germany's culture is a true wonder to be seen. Ridge. From fairy tales to philosophy, German culture is vast and full of mystery. With a language that's strong and powerful, its influence on the world is truly wonderful. Chorus. So let's raise a glass to German culture. From its history to its food and everything in between, its love for life and its passion so pure, Germany's culture is a true wonder to be seen. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AD equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.